Alrighty, tour of room 314 at Harrison Beach Hotel in Harrison Hot Springs, British Columbia. Let's go. Alright, so as you walk in, you got, of course, regular door stuff. People without a cover, sadly. You have a bathroom, sink, toilet, nice shower with a closed line. And also, on the back of the door is a full-length mirror. Coming out of the bathroom to the left is an electrical panel with all your switches. Electro Boom would be happy here. He doesn't have to break in anymore. Okay. Switches. Fun fact, this one doesn't do anything that I can tell. So you just switch that. Over here is a nice table, two chairs, closet over here. The rack for your clothes, hangers, ironing board is right here, and even the gas line for a dryer, maybe a washer. We also have a electric. Over in the kitchen area, you have a fridge that looks like a dishwasher, counter space, ice bucket, which was originally over here, cupboards, cabinets, drawers, sink, Keurig, cups and coffee, and your cabinets are also loaded with stuff. Oh yes, and a microwave. Over on this wall you've got space for your luggage, fireplace switch and a fireplace, smart TV on a little mount so you can move it out, desk, big picture, drawers. That's where my stuff is. Here are the beds. One bed, nightstand, a drawer, another bed. Hello fish, hello dog, hello steaky, hello everybody. Stuffed animals, you gotta say hi. The air conditioner over here. If you're American like I am, you can't change it to Fahrenheit, it's stuck in Celsius. Got a big door, full of windows. Door opens onto your big balcony with 4 chairs and a table. There's also a light right there. And that air conditioner is a lot. Oh my god. Beautiful view. And with that being said, thank you for watching this short little video. And bye!